Just lay down beside me, let us consummate. I know you're thirsting, let me help you deflate. If you want to plug in for a high voltage connection, show me cold hard cash and I will turn on my affection. And do you wanna hop up? I'll let you. Just a little. So don't hesitate, I won't kiss and tell. No need to worry, cause I'm a professional. The show can start